When I first saw this blanket, this cat stitch blanket, I thought, wow, really? And I've never ever knew this stitch. And apparently this is vintage pattern, vintage cat stitch blanket, and lots of people are already making this. Please see the color palettes people are using, make your choice, and let's start tutorial. We will start by making the chain multiples of 5. It means that you need to have anything like 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and so on. Any number multiples by 5. I will not crochet the whole blanket in front of you, I will crochet a sample. Multiples by 5, double crochet in the 4th chain stitch, skip 4, two double crochet in the 5th stitch, chain 5, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, skip 4, 2 double crochet in the 5th stitch, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and continue with the same pattern. Skip 4, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, chain 1, 2 double crochets, skip 4, and at the end of the round you will be making 2 double crochets. And this is our first row. Row 2, chain 2 or chain 3 and turn, double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochets in chain 1 space, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the chain 1 space, two double crochets in the next space, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the next space, in the same space, then 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. This is very similar to the first row, and it will be all very similar pattern, very easy. 2 double crochets in the last 2 double crochets. And I'm cutting the yarn For the third row I am changing the color. We'll start again with chain 2 or chain 3, or if you prefer you can make stacked single crochet. I will be making chain 2. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and now we will be making 2 double crochet together, and it will serve as a drop stitch, and it will create the effect of a pause. You go all the way below in the first row, pull up a loop, yarn over and take it through, yarn over, going all the way in the first row, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull it through 2, you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. This is your drop stitch, or 2 double crochets together. Next is very easy, the same shell, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the chain 1 space, repeating drop stitch or 2 double crochet together, yarn over, going in the first row, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, again, second double crochet, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Repeating the shell, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Extended double crochet or drop stitch or 2 double crochet together. People are calling it all different ways. You find the way you prefer to call it. And 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Let's make one more drop stitch. I like to call it drop stitch because it is dropping. And finish this row with 2 double crochets. The last stitch you can go like going under your turning chain or find the space in the top of the turning chain. It is up to you. This is third row, I should say. Chain 2 or 3 or stacked single crochet, served as my first double crochet, second double crochet in the second stitch. Then we are going to make a shell in chain 1 space, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Go into the next chain 1 space, two double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, this is very easy pattern to memorize, and it comes very quickly as a blanket. I'm making the blanket right now and I really love how it goes. Finish this row with 2 double crochets, I will go under the turning chain. I think it is easier for me. Next row will be exactly the same, chain 2 or 3 at the beginning, double crochet in the next stitch, and this is the third row with the same color. 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, again 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, this is like a shell stitch, but it is more interesting. And repeat in the last chain 1 stitch, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Finish this row with 2 double crochets. Chain 1 to finish the stitch and cut the yarn. I will change the color for my third color, and third round will be exactly like next row will be exactly like third row with the pose. So we will start each color with the row with the pose or drop stitch, and then it will be 2 easy rows with the shell. I'm using gray. One double crochet in the next stitch, yarn over, going for the drop stitch, one double crochet, yarn over, making second very long double crochet as a drop stitch, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, two double crochets, chain 1 in chain 1 space, drop stitch, two double crochets, chain 1 in chain 1 space, two double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets in chain 1 space. This is my drop stitch. Just like that, and 2 double crochets. Next we will just repeat those rows, 3 rows of gray, then I will repeat 3 rows in dark blue, then light blue, and keep going.